Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from Zillow Premier Agent CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Zillow Premier Agent account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Leads section in the main menu. Click on Leads to access your lead management dashboard. In the lead management dashboard, you will see a list of your current leads. Select the leads you wish to withdraw. To do this, check the box next to each lead. After selecting the leads, look for the Actions button at the top of the page. Click on the Actions button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Export. You will be prompted to select a file format for the export. Choose the format that best suits your needs, such as CSV or Excel. Once you've selected the format, click on the Export Leads button. The system will begin processing your request. Wait for the export to complete. This may take a few moments. Once complete, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the file to your computer. Check the downloaded file to ensure all selected leads are included. If all information is correct, you have successfully withdrawn your leads from Zillow Premier Agent CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.